Invest in yourself and enjoy the difference. You spend time and money keeping your car in good shape, but what about your body? You do things for your children, but what about yourself? Why not spend some time, money, and effort on yourself? There's a lot you can do to invest in yourself. See how much more you can accomplish when you make yourself a priority. Try these techniques to enrich your life by investing in you. 1. Hire a personal trainer. Your health and fitness are important. Get an expert on your side. Many health clubs offer free personal training. Look for a gym with this service. If you have the financial resources, hiring the local expert can speed up your progress. 2. Take a course. What interests you? You could take a class on Buddhism, basket weaving, calculus, or a golf lesson. What would enrich your life? Identify what would do the most for you and go do it. You might ask your boss for a few ideas. It might give your career a boost. If you're liking this video, then hit the like button. 3. Hire a personal coach. A personal coach can help you figure out what you want to do with your life and advise you on how to make it happen. A personal coach is a sounding board, friend, and an expert on life. Let someone advise you and hold you accountable. 4. Make time for yourself. Everyone needs a break each day to enjoy life. Use this time however you please without any feelings of guilt. Watch TV or YouTube videos. Gossip with the neighbor. Enjoy an ice cream cone or read a trashy novel. Spending some time frivolously is important for your well-being. 5. Read something just for you. Anything you like. It might be something that helps you at work, with a hobby, or just provide entertainment. Make reading a regular habit. Reading is one thing most successful people have in common. What can you do today to ensure a more prosperous future? Spend a small portion of your resources, time, money, or focus on yourself each month. Make yourself a priority. You'll enjoy the results. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then share it with a friend who needs to hear this message.